Okay, let's start to create a project with VS Code. And first we create our www folder, www, and inside the www we create another folder, our project folder, for example demo1. Now open this demo1 folder in VS Code and select folder. We can run the command Control Shift P and Sartaj PHP, and then select Sartaj PHP create, and it will create the project. To run the project, press F7, but before the run we need to set some configuration because we need a framework. Here is the path, but we can run the project with SPHP desk, so we can ignore the framework path. For testing purpose, we just need to set up app.sphp file. Change this one, SartajPhp path. I will going to disable this for temporary reason because I don't have framework installed in the project folder. So I am going to use the framework installed in SPHP desk folder. So I disable this setting and save it. So for running, we just change the type as a desk app and save it and press F7. So it shows you in the console window the project is running by SPHP desk and display in the browser. So our project is now running. So the next step, we need to install the framework inside the project folder. For this purpose, we go in the project folder, run the command prompt. We need to run sphp desk update sphp file command. We need to run sphp desk update sphp command. It will run the composer that is inside the sphp desk app, and it will install our framework inside the project folder. Okay, now we have ready with the vendor folder here. So open the VS Code and remove this one from front of SartajPhp path because we now have installed framework in our project folder. Next thing is the start PHP file. Check the shared path, rest path. You start in the start PHP file. Shared path and rest path should be configured as a framework inside the project folder. And another thing, if your index.app and index.front file is not recognized correctly by VS Code, then you need to go on setting and associate files dot association and add these three items: star.app as a PHP file, star.sphp as a JSON file, and star.front as HTML file. And now we have framework installed in our project folder, and now we can run the same way with the SPHP desk. We can run with F7. Now we have set everything inside the project folder. And if we press now F7, it run our project with our inside installed framework and run with the SPHP desk server and display in the browser.